Guangdong Xiangsu Technology Group Company Limited is pipes and fittings manufacturers and suppliers of quality plastic pipes and fittings. Homso specializes in offering a wide range of pipes and fittings in PPR, PE, PVC material. Homso was founded in the year 2004 and listed on the stock market in 2017. The group is located in Guangdong with around 210,000 square meters manufacture workshop and has over 700 employees. Homso have more than 129 automatic production lines and over 5,000 molds in 6 manufacturing factories with around 1 million square meter workshops. With Homso brand development, we began to build new factories gradually since 2010. Due to our strong production capacity, we can deliver small or bulk orders in short time. Homso has a full aspect quality control from raw materials purchasing to finished product packing. Our products are applicable for ISO, CE, and WARS certifications. Under our strict quality standards, our plumbing solutions are used in delivery of water, gases, electrical ducting, chemicals, drainages lines, irrigation, and sprinkler systems. We have built strong marketing channels under highly efficient distributional system in China and Southeast Asia. And our water supply products and electrical accessories are also popular in EU, the USA, and Africa. Homso keep improving constantly and be confidently that we can customize your need with high perspective through careful after-sales services and efficient delivery system. Homso Pipe, connecting the world.